Hey students and learners, welcome to HYDE English Podcast. This is the place where you learn real English conversation that you can use in your daily life.
Hello, my name is Alex, and I am an English communication coach. I help students improve their speaking confidence.
And I am Eva, an English trainer. I help learners speak English confidently in their daily life.
And together, we are here to help you become a confident English speaker on HYDE English Podcast. On this channel, we talk about different topics like daily English speaking, confidence, communication skills, and real-life conversations.
Our purpose is simple. We want to help you speak English with confidence, without fear and without hesitation.
Because we believe anyone can speak English if they learn the right way and practice daily.
And today's topic is very important: how to talk to anyone with confidence.
This skill can change your life. It will help you in school, college, job, interview, and your daily conversations.
And today, we will share powerful and practical steps that you can use in your real life.
So listen carefully and imagine yourself in these situations. Topic Introduction. Eva, let's be honest. Many students and learners know English, but when it comes to talking to people, they feel nervous.
Yes, that's right. They understand English, they know words, they know grammar, but when they see a new person, their confidence goes down.
Their mind becomes blank. They don't know how to start. They don't know what to say.
And this problem is not only about English. This is about confidence. Many people don't talk because they are afraid.
Afraid of mistakes, afraid of rejection, afraid of embarrassment.
But the good news is, confidence is a skill, and skill can be learned.
Yes, you are not born confident. You become confident with practice and the right mindset.
And today, we will teach you simple and practical steps that will help you talk to anyone with confidence.
These steps are easy, powerful, and life-changing, so listen carefully.
Step 1. Stop worrying about what people will think about you.
So, Eva, what is the first step to talk to anyone with confidence?
The first step is stop worrying about what people will think about you. This is the biggest problem.
Yes, this is very true. Many students want to speak, but they stop themselves. They think, what if I make a mistake? What if they laugh at me? What if my English is not perfect?
But Eva, the truth is, nobody cares as much as you think. Most people are busy in their own thoughts. They are not judging you. And even if you make mistakes, it is okay. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes mean you are learning.
Confidence does not come from perfect English. Confidence comes from speaking without fear.
Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you are in your college. You want to talk to a new student. Don't think too much. Just go and say, "Hi, how are you?" This is enough to start a conversation.
Yes, confidence starts with small steps, not big steps.
And remember one thing. People like those who talk. People like those who are friendly.
So stop overthinking. Just start speaking. Your confidence will grow slowly.
Step 2. Start with a simple smile and a greeting.
So, Eva, what is the second step to talk to anyone with confidence?
The second step is very simple, but very powerful. Start with a smile and a simple greeting.
Yes, many people think they need big words to sound confident, but that is not true.
Confidence starts with simple things.
Your smile is the first sign of confidence. When you smile, you look friendly, you look open, and people feel comfortable talking to you.
And after smile, the next thing is greeting. Greeting is the easiest way to start a conversation. You can say simple sentences like, "Hi," "Hello," "Good morning," "How are you?"
These are very small sentences, but they create a big impact.
Let's imagine a real-life situation. You are in your college. You see a new student. Don't ignore. Don't look away. Just smile and say, "Hi, how are you?
This is enough to start a conversation. You don't need perfect English. You just need the courage to say the first word.
And remember one important thing. People don't remember your grammar. People remember your confidence and your energy.
Even if your English is simple, it is okay. Simple English with confidence is powerful.
But if you stay silent, your confidence will never grow.
So from today, make this your habit. Whenever you meet someone, smile and greet. Slowly, your fear will disappear and your confidence will grow.
Step 3. Stop trying to impress. Start trying to connect.
This is a very common mistake, Eva. Many people try to impress others when they talk.
Yes, they try to use big words, fake accent, or act too smart.
Exactly. But confidence is not about impressing. Confidence is about connecting.
That's a powerful line. Confidence is about connecting.
For example, imagine you meet a new classmate. If you try to impress, you may think, I must say something very intelligent. But if you try to connect, you think, let me know this person.
So instead of showing off, you show interest.
Yes, you can ask simple questions like, where are you from? What do you like to do? What are you studying?
And when you listen carefully, the other person feels respected and comfortable.
And when they feel comfortable, you also start feeling confident naturally.
So the secret is simple. Don't try to be impressive, just be interested.
Because people don't like perfect people. People like real people.
That's true. Connection creates confidence. Step 4. Use your body language.
Eva, many students only focus on words, but confidence is also about body language, right?
Absolutely. Your body speaks before your mouth speaks.
That's interesting. So what should students do?
First, maintain eye contact. Not too much, not too little, just natural eye contact. Because when you look into someone's eyes, you look confident.
Correct. Second, keep your posture straight. Don't bend your shoulders down.
Yes, when you stand straight, you already feel more confident inside.
And third, keep a small, natural smile.
Smile makes you look friendly and approachable. For example, imagine two people saying the same word, hello.
One person looks down, no smile, low voice.
And the other person looks at you, smiles, and says, hello.
The second person looks more confident, even if both said the same word.
Exactly. Words are same, body language is different.
So remember, students, confidence is not only in your words.
It is in your eyes, your posture, and your smile.
Step 5. Use positive self-talk to build confidence.
Alex, there's one powerful habit that confident people use every day.
Yes, Eva, they talk positively to themselves.
Students, sometimes your biggest enemy is your own mind.
Your mind says, I can't do this. My English is bad. People will laugh at me.
But confident people change this voice.
They say, I am learning. I am improving. I can do this.
For example, before talking to someone, don't say, I'm nervous. Say, I'm excited to speak.
Don't say, I will make mistakes.
Say, mistakes will help me learn.
Your words change your feelings.
And your feelings change your confidence. Students, every morning say this to yourself.
I am becoming more confident every day.
Even if you don't feel confident now,
Your brain will slowly start believing it.
confidence starts inside you.
So speak positive
Think positive.
and become confident.
So, students, today you learned something very important.
Confidence is not magic,
Confidence is a skill.
and skills improve with practice.
Maybe today you are shy,
Maybe today you feel nervous.
but if you practice these steps every day,
One day you will speak without fear.
one day you will speak without thinking.
And people will listen to you with respect.
Remember,
Confidence is not about perfect English.
it is about speaking without fear.
So start today,
Start small.
but start now.
Students, if you liked this video,
Please support HADY English Podcast.
like this video.
Share it with your friends.
Comment below and tell us.
What is your biggest problem in speaking English?
And don't forget to,
Subscribe to HADY English Podcast.
we are here to help you speak English with confidence.
See you in the next video.